scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Game theory problems can be tricky, but we will solve this Nash equilibrium question in record time. Let's break down the logic right now. First, we must understand that a Nash equilibrium occurs when every player makes their best possible move given what the other players are doing. It is all about stability here. Next, we look for the condition where no firm wants to move. This means if one company changes its strategy alone, its profit will not increase at all. That is key. Option C perfectly describes this state of no unilateral improvement. This makes option C the final answer for this project funding problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.